Right, so my passenger side window doesn't work. So far I've managed to get it moving by using my cordless drill battery on the motor wires. Managed to get it down a little bit, so I know the motor works because I can get it to work up and down, but there's nothing on any of the switches. That's where the switch is disconnected from. For this side I can't get anything, but I know there's power there. I've tested for power. There's power at the switch, so I'm going to remove that switch, show you how to remove that switch, and then I'm going to replace the switch, and hopefully this window will work. To unclip your wires, you just push that little tab and pull the plug. Wow, you can already see these wires here are much bigger than in the original, so hopefully it can take a bit more power. Right, let's install the new switch and see. Keep your fingers crossed it's going to work. Right, fingers crossed, toes crossed, everything crossed. No! The only thing I can do is try putting the switch back in the other side and see if that makes any difference. Right, so it's not working from the other side. Don't hold up much hope, but... Oh, it's working! Oh, I must need the switch, both switch attaches to, both switches attached then. Let's try it from the driver's side. Yes! Ah, brilliant! I thought that wasn't going to work then. Now I've got to put all this back together.